Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Pig Crafters here, and today I'm playing Cookie Clicker. And don't worry, guys, because I did not reset my original I didn't reset my original Cookie Clicker. See, it's still running in the background there. Still have the auto clicker and that stuff. But today we're gonna be trying out a new Cookie Clicker. This was the 2013 version 1.036 version. So it's pretty old, so we're just gonna get straight into this clicking thing. And I'm gonna wake and bake. I'm gonna buy a cursor. These can just click for you, but the auto clickers they click fast. They click faster, but these ones can click for you. So what do you know? Yeah. So it's just like, okay, I'll take it. Yeah. Also, I hope you guys don't hear my chewing. I'm chewing on gummy bears. I don't think you needed to know that, but that's just a fun fact. I'll chew silently. I'm gonna buy another cursor. By the way, guys, I don't think I'll be setting an auto clicker for this one. So that's something to know. Sadly, it's Sunday, so I can't do anything about it. Okay, I got 8 cursors right now. Okay, got 9. Alright, so I would say like that's when the cursor price is like near the grandma price. I might just start buying grandmas, like when the cursor's like almost at 100. Then that's when I'll start buying grandmas. As you can see right here, for 100. And actually, the other stuff is pretty cool. I should probably hold it down with the gummy bears. Okay, 70. As you can see, that the price comes higher, so that's something to know. I also forgot about my terrible clicking. The terrible clicking sound, as if you know. I know. So as you can see up here, I got 12 cursors. It's producing 1.2 cookies per second, and the total cookies that they clicked was 119. Alright, I think I'll start it off with one more cursor, and then we're going to start buying. Actually, no. I think this is the part where we should start buying some grandmas. Alright, as you can see here, grandma. Buy that. Grandma's cookies. Achievement unlocked. Now you can see that this one grandma right here is reducing 0.5 cookies per second, and the total cookies that they baked is 18. Now let me tell you something. Like usually grandmas would produce more, cookies per second. If any of you guys are new cookie clicker people here, then you might want to skip this part because I'm going to be explaining some stuff about the grandma and the cursors for any new people. I mean, if you want to follow along with me, in this video, you can. I'm just saying that grandmas, they can produce more cookies than these cursors, which, as you can see right here, that these cursors have produced more cookies than these grandma right here. See, 30 cookies baked, 1.3 cookies per second, 0.5 cookies per second. As you can see, they clicked 238. So that's something to know. Like usually, like the grandma would produce more. But as you get in the game, and like once when you like start upgrading like this grandma upgrade right here, it like the grandma power-ups can be more efficient. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm gonna hold it off with the goodies. Alright, and as you can see here, this is power-up that I'm actually gonna get. The index finger or whatever. Oh, that's really okay. I'm buying another grandma. I'll get some more cursor too. Just to hold out that price, you know. I'm gonna buy another cursor. As you can see, we're getting 2. Every time when I click the cookie, I get 2 cookies. Every time when I click. So that's something to know. You know why do I keep saying that? I don't know. Alright, buy another grandma. And then I'll buy another cursor after that, and just so on and so forth. It's pretty fun, guys. I kind of recommend you try it out. By the way, I said I recommend. Nope. I'm gonna go in the. Okay, never mind. Find another cursor. Achievement unlocked. Clicktastic. 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 Clicktastic! Woo! Alright, well. Should I save it for a power up or the farm? You know, I think I might save it for the farm now. If I get another grandma, then I'll save up for that farm. And grandma's priced. Actually, no, I'll get another cursor, and then I'll get a grandma, and then we'll get a farm. Does that sound great? Yes, it does. Okay. Alright, we have 19 cursors. We're gonna get another grandma, and then we're going to sort this out. Hold on. I'm gonna sort this out. Don't worry. Oh, guys, look. Oh, a golden cookie. I kind of missed that. Lucky 43 cookie. Woo! How exciting. Oh, wait, look. Actually, no. Yeah, according to plans, yes. You always have to be according to the plan. Alright, we're saving up for a farm. Sorry, my... Alright, and we have a farm. There you go. Alright, and farm's producing 2 cookies per second. Sounds great. You know, I wish I could produce these longer videos. Actually, let me get my chair. Okay. As you can see, over here. Alright, we'll get that power up. Ooh, new achievement, hardcore baking. Sounds great. I'm gonna buy another grandma. I'm gonna get another cursor. And I'm gonna be doing all this jibber jabber. Jibber jabber, jibber jabber, jibber jabber. Ah! I don't know. Guys, what's your favorite idle clicking game or whatever you want to call it? What's your favorite idle clicking game? Let me know in the comments below. Ooh, I gotta hurry up with this episode. We'll make this episode about 14 minutes long. How about that? I'm just gonna invest these cursors, grandmas, and farms. And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Harvesting grandmas. That sounds weird. That sounds wrong. That sounds nothing that you can do in real life. You're right. You can't do that stuff in real life. Um, you know. Alright, gonna get another farm because they're doing fairly good. They're doing, actually no, the cursors are doing better if anything. Farms doing the grandmas are doing not the best right now, but they will be doing good soon. Don't worry. And I actually promise that too. I promise when I say that the grandmas will get better. Sorry, I'm not saying anything. I don't know what to say. All I'm just gonna say is that I love Cookie Clicker. I also love Pig Cracker because it's in my name. Yeah, guys, I'm like a boss at that game. If you guys haven't seen my clicker videos, then you already know that I'm a beast at these games. Cause they're like really easy, okay? They're like really easy. All you have to do is just click a bit, get some items, keep harvesting those items, and then you just get good, It's fairly easy. I'm sure it's a lot of fun to you new players. Like I remember when I first discovered Cookie Clicker, I was like, "Oh, this is like the game from the holy gods." I'm sorry, I'm terrible at singing. I am terrible at singing. I'm just like, "This is a game that came from the gods. I never knew that this would be such a great game. The grandmas." Okay, I'll stop now. I'm sorry, I just have a singing problem. Oh, what? Well, now farms are doing the best. Grandma's doing the least best. All right, farms are doing the best. Cursors are doing the second best, and grandmas are doing the third best out of all these items I have so far. You know what I should save up for? I'm going to save up for a factory for at the end of this video, because, just why not, There's nothing wrong with saving up for a factory. I mean, you can never have too much cookies, You can never have too much cookies. I'm gonna find another farm. I'm gonna get some more cursors in there. Yeah, I need to get my cursors up on the grandma scale level, whatever you want to call it. Alright. The farms are about to catch up to the cookies baked. See? Ooh. Did it pass it? Oh, it passed it. Grandmas, you tried. But trust me. Trust me when I say this, that grandmas will get better. Just trust me when I say that. Alright, now I am definitely going to be saving up for a farm. And the rest is a piece of crap. Yeah, guys, I'm using, this mouse that's, at least 10 years old. And I'm just, still using it today. And I'm just like, you know what? I should really just get, a new, mouse. And I'm not talking about, the rat mouse or the creature mouse. I'm just talking about, a computer mouse, Sorry, I'm kind of getting started here. I know, this mouse is, yeah, I like to throw it around a lot. I'm surprised it hasn't broke. I mean, there has this side that's, kind of cracked a little bit. Oh, get out of here, Katana. Nobody asked you. Oh, look, we're about to get the factory. Wait, what's this on? Security. Oh, 14 minutes. Okay, we gotta get this factory. Alright, factory. Woohoo! Now, factories are producing 10 cookies per second. And you know what? I think I'm gonna end it here. So, part 2 coming out at 6 p.m. So, be aware of that. And make sure you guys, you can follow along in the video if you want to. And by the way, yeah, my mouse is 10 years old. I'm surprised I haven't got a new one. Anyway, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.